How to repost Instagram Reels and post. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can repost Instagram Reels and post. The first thing you want to do is head over to Play Store or App Store. Then search Instagram. Now, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Since this is a new feature, you will only get it if you use the updated version of Instagram. Now, once the application has been updated, launch open Instagram, log into your account. Now you want to scroll through your home feed. Below each post, you'll see a repost icon. You will find this icon between the comment and share button. Go ahead and tap on this repost icon. Here it says you reposted the post. Tap on the close option. If you want to undo that, you can simply tap on undo. If you want to drop any emoji, you can simply tap on drop an emoji option over here. Then you can either type in a comment or drop any emoji. Now tap on the save option. Now it's going to look something like this. Your comment will now float over the repost when your followers see it. Reposting Reels works the same way. Head over to the Reels tab and here you have this repost icon. Tap on that. If you want to tag a friend or add an emoji, you can simply tap on here and then select your emoji and tap on the save option. Now if you want to find your reposted content, tap on your profile icon, then tap on the three lines. Now tap on your activity. Here you have the option of repost, select that. All of your reposted post and reel will be found over here, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.